Hello, I'm Brent Sebright. Welcome to Sebright Products, where we manufacture compactors that are engineered for rugged use and long life. In the next few minutes, you will see the anatomy of a compactor. I will show you the many differences between a Sebright Products compactor and that of our competitors. You will learn why Sebright compactors have a life expectancy that is as much as twice as long as those of our competition. Component parts such as AR floor plates, nylotron shoes, and hydraulic oil reservoirs will take on a new meaning to you, and also the importance that they play in prolonging the life of a compactor. There are four basic components in every compactor: the frame assembly, the ram assembly, the hydraulic cylinder, and the hydraulic power unit. At Sebright Products, every frame and ram is engineered and built on fixtures to ensure the close tolerances required to reduce material wedging. Let's begin with the frame assembly. Our frame sides consist of formed steel plates. They're reinforced with structural channels, not channels stamped from a sheet. Our floors are all abrasive-resistant plate. This time-proven alloy far outlasts all the materials used for floors. You're looking at the bottom of a compactor. We set them up inverted in the welding fixture. All the floor supports are spaced to provide maximum strength. We also reinforce our floor plates directly below the breaker bar. The reason for this is, as a container becomes full, there is a tremendous amount of pressure exerted on the floor in this area. With our reinforcement plate, our compactors do not have any of the floor deformation that you see in this competitor's machine that was only a year old when it had to be taken out of service. Because all of our frames are fixtured, we have eliminated the problems of cylinder alignment and ram fit. This, along with our multi-point guide system, assures positive guiding and alignment of the ram, eliminating material from being drawn back with each cycle and depositing it under the compactor. Now let's look at the ram, the real workhorse of the system. All of our rams are built with thick structural steel face and floor plates. The top plate is reinforced with structural channels and crisscrossed to provide maximum strength for the pressure applied to its surface. We use nylotron shoes in our three-point guide system, which rides on a heavy steel tube. No cast iron shoes like other manufacturers use. Since our system allows the ram to ride directly on the abrasive-resistant floor plate, there is no need for bottom wipers that require frequent replacement. This proven tight fit prevents material buildup and wedging problems. Notice how our tight-fitting rams even push a thin dime out of the chamber. Ask any of our competitors if they can do this. Next, let's look at the hydraulic cylinders. Our cylinders are designed to withstand pressures of 3,000 pounds per square inch and have proven themselves in over 3,500 compactors, with a failure rate of less than 1% in the machines out more than 5 years. We use cast iron piston rings, chrome-plated piston tubes, and state-of-the-art wipers. In short, our cylinders are built to work. Finally, the power unit, the heart of a compactor, built by Sebright Products with pride and a quality that is unequaled. As soon as you see a Sebright power unit, you realize that you are looking at something special. Sebright power units are built with hydraulic reservoirs which are 2 to 4 times larger than most others. Our power units use only brand name components that are readily accessible off-the-shelf items. Every power unit comes standard with TEFC motors, C-face pump mounting bracket, and a pressure gauge. Every wire is labeled and in its place. All the wire harnesses are wrapped. The circuit control panel is silk screened. All of the control circuitry is labeled and timers and relays have retainers that prevent vibration loosening. Also standard on a Sebright power unit is this remote control station with key start, container full light, and 10-foot of lead. Other standard features are panel-mounted RAM position switch, auto cycle or dead man selection switch, and a panel-mounted jog control. An additional standard feature gives you tri-voltage selection. Sebright Products uses soft shift valves to prevent hydraulic system shock. This feature, along with our limit switch shifting of the RAM, prevents many of the common failures that our competitors face. Another Sebright innovation is to mount our limit switch so that it is accessible. No need to climb into the back of the compactor to check it. Our hydraulic system only reaches maximum pressure when the container is near full. What this means to you is a much longer life of hydraulic components. No premature part failures commonly associated with compactors that shift with a pressure switch. Also, all of our hydraulic hoses are wire braided, not made of a synthetic plastic. Sebright Products engineering staff understands the refuse industry, and they design equipment to handle trash trouble-free for years. At Sebright Products, the quality is built in, not added on. We don't look for ways to make it cheaper. We only look for ways to make it better. Look to Sebright Products for all your compaction needs, including our revolutionary SVP, the vertical compactor. Our self-contained units with their liquid retention capabilities, also stationary compactors up to 10 cubic yards. And our superior pre-crusher with its 5-inch solid thick steel pre-crush wall. Or contact us for any special application. Thank you.